Marcus, what's it like holding your brother?
The hands.
The hands?
Yeah.
Whose hands? Your hands?
Yeah, my hands.
What about your hands?
Like this. To hold them like that.
Oh.
Do we carry him?
Do you carry him?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
No, you don't carry him. You just hold him.
We just hold them on the couch.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He's looking. He's looking at you. No, not in his nose. You can kiss him though if you want.
I want to kiss on his face.
You can kiss on his forehead. Is he a little squirmy?
He's a little squirmy. He's a little squirmy.
Is he happy or sad?
Happy.
He doesn't look that happy to me.
Is he happy now? I don't know. He's kind of a little fluffy.
Not in his face, please.
He's kind of fluffy.